Hmm. Oh. Hi guys, again, this is Lordy, ang tito mong psychologist. I'm just reading through this latest research conducted by Mikami et al. 2024. And they said that spending too much time in social media might not actually be that detrimental. But you have to make sure that it is intentional and constructive way of using social media. Ibig na sabihin, hindi daw pwede yung doom scrolling or purposeless scrolling through the different social media accounts. Okay? But they've mentioned that if you have a purpose, if you have an intention why you keep on doing it, such as, for example, searching for new research results, searching for an updated information about something, then it could actually give us mental health benefits. No? So, how did they do it? So basically, they conducted a three-way experiment. They have three groups. One is known as the control group. So basically, these are people who go through their usual routine, no, of going through the social media, whether it's purposeful or purposeless. And then they also ask one group to abstain from social media exposure. And the third group is basically the coach group. No, they were taught how to intentionally use social media. At the end of the experiment, they found out that those people who abstain from social media use and those people who subscribe to the purposeful use of social media has an improved mental health. Oh, so basically, if it's about social media, if we look into it, it's not entirely debilitating or detrimental to our mental health. But if you use it without any purpose, just occupying on the days that or the time that you want to spend, then that might be detrimental. But if you abstain from it, that's the first one, and you decided to use it with purpose, with intention, or in a constructive way, then it could also be beneficial. Okay? Thank you so much, guys, for listening. Maybe this will open up more topics of conversation about social media use and maybe more research. I hope I will encourage more scientifically minded people to do their own research about these things. Sana meron akong naitulong sa inyo for today's video. Again, this is Lordy, ang tito mong psychologist.